Good evening and welcome. First of all, sorry, I've not been posting new content since I was out of town due to work almost the entire month. It's only now that I've come home and I'm enjoying the comfort of home. So let's see what we're unboxing today. Today we're unboxing the beautiful violet box. This is a lovely luxury kind of a box in which the outer packaging in which the box comes. So certain things about the violet box, the website is also mentioned here. First of all, they send only cruelty-free brands in their box. It's a beauty box. Of course, it started as a period box, as we all know, but now they have a period version as well. But mostly they are a beauty box where they send you full size as well as sample size products. The box retails for 1,499 bucks. They also ship internationally. You can visit the site of Violet Box, which I'm going to link down below. And there's good news. So the box does retail for 1,499, but you can use the code Aditi200 and get a 200 rupee discount for this box. Now the box that I'm showing is for May and June. So they have a bi-monthly kind of a box. So like they get a box every 2 months. You will they will mention the products beforehand only, so you know what you're getting for the money that you're spending. And all the products in this box right now are total worth 3,035 bucks, so it's a very good deal, steal deal for me. This is the kind of outer packaging that it comes in, and this is the box packaging. So I'm gonna open it and show it to you. This is the violet, this is the box with some butter paper wrapped in it, and this is the pamphlet. So Violet Box donates period essentials to one girl in India for a month's subscription that you're buying. So there are certain girls who have got their period essentials in the photograph. For every Violet Box you buy, we donate a month's period essentials to a girl in India, which is a great initiative. So I'm spending my money, it's going for a good cause, which is great. So this is the kind of packaging that Violet Box has, and something has come out due to my clumsiness, of course. And if you see, there's hay packaging. So at the bottom there's hay, there's a bed of hay, and there are a lot of products. Now I'm not going to show you the entire products. Let me show it to you one by one. So this month's theme, or this bi-monthly boxes theme for May and June, is the face care. So they have all products of the face, and I will show them to you, one by one in the order that you can use it. So first of all, let's say I've just come back and I have a full face of makeup on. The first thing what you would need is a makeup remover. So they have a makeup remover from Inveda. This is their green tea makeup remover. Inveda is a very good brand. I have reviewed a lot of products from Inveda, used a lot of products. It's lovely, it's paraben free. It is for all skin types, which is also good, because in a period box, or rather a beauty box, at times that is a problem. You cannot customize it according to your skin type. But actually most Inveda products are for all skin types, and thankfully this is one brand which makes great products. So even if I have oily skin, most of their products have suited me. So first of all, you'll need a green tea remover. After that, what you would do, you would mostly wash your face, and for that they have the City Detox face wash, which is sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone free. This is a 100 ml full size product. I have a review of this face wash on my channel. I've used it around 6 months back. It's a very good product. It has a very soothing smell, and it is the kind of smell you would wake up to and wash your face, or you would want to sleep after using this face wash, rather face wash. This has a bit of lavender and enriched with the extracts of plants and flowers, that is what they say. So after the face wash, what you would want to do is, let's say if it's a good day and you want to do a scrub and also a pack. So they have given you the Tatha normal to combination skin 15 gram sample of the face scrub. Now this is a powder scrub. I will show you the kind of consistency it has. It is a powdery consistency, so you have to mix it with water or milk. I would say if you have oily skin, mix it with some bit of green tea. If you have dry skin, mix it with milk, or let's say water. You can any day mix it with. The ingredients are written in scientific notation rather. which I will not read. I'll not try and read. So you have to apply it on a wet face after cleaning the face. And after that, after the face scrub, this is by the way sample size, a 15 gram sample size. Please do not worry of the prices. The prices are listed down in the description box and also the link where you can purchase the violet box. After that, you want to put a face pack. So there's BioBloom skincare face pack for you, which is having apricot and aloe vera for all skin types. Again, a full size product. BioBloom bhi maine bahut use kiya. I've used a lot of BioBloom products. Even I have lost count of how many I have used it, but all of them have been good. And let's see how the face pack turns up. I will put a review of all these products once, you know, I've used all of them. Okay, so now we have used the face pack on our skin as well. Now what do you want? You want a toner. So this is the Flower Power Face Toner from Chronocare. I have used 2 bottles of it. I have a 3rd bottle of it, which also I will use, and this is the 4th one. This is a unique blend of 3 flowers that instantly refreshes the skin and softens the tissue. Sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone free. Now they are fragrance free, but they do have a natural fragrance of whatever flowers that they are using. So they are using lavender with neroli and ylang ylang. Okay, so 3 herbs, and I have used this toner. I can safely say that it's a very good toner, a very good face mist. It is a little bit on the lighter side. So if you want to remove, you know, dirt and gunk, maybe a tea tree kind of toner works better. This is an everyday kind of a toner which is not going to be very harsh on your skin and can also be used as a face mist. By the way, this does not sting the eye. I have used it, does not sting the eye. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? On a day, during the day, you would want to use a moisturizer. So they have the Inveda moisturizer. This is the hydrating papaya and hibiscus moisturizer, which is also paraben free. Now it also has a very nice soothing smell. Of course, a detailed review would come later, but right now I'm just doing an unboxing. So for the full face, for taking full care of your face, a product is there. So right now it is the moisturizer by papaya and hibiscus. They say that it's a light moisturizer, keeps skin soft and supple, and it's a normal moisturizer after washing your face. Maybe after toner you can use it. And of course, if it's night, you would need a night cream. So again, there's a night cream by Inveda as well. By the way, this is also a full-size product. Price is listed down below. And again, a full-size essential night cream with Damascena rose and carrot seed. Okay, that's great. This is also, of course, paraben free. And night creams, what they say is, let's say just after washing your face and toning your face in the night, for 5 minutes you should wait so that the toner soaks in. After that, you apply the night cream with very light hands on the, let's say, the pressure points, wherever you apply a highlighter. First of all, apply the night cream there and then tap your face, and then, you know, in circular motions just dab the night cream. That is the correct application. As far as I know, that's what I do. So this is a night cream by Inveda. I'm very, very happy because Inveda and Chronocare, especially Inveda, is one of my favorite brands. So that's it. Now what you would want to do, you would want to apply a lip balm. This is the Chronocare Friskis lip balm. I guess all my old subscribers would know that I have used the product a lot of time and there's a little bit of hay in it. So again, this is silicone and paraben free, and this repairs damaged tissue and leave your lips looking morning dew fresh, which is lovely. So these are most of the products. There are 2 more products left. First of all, what do you say that what would be in this box? First of all, I thought that probably it's a perfume sample, but then it was too light for a perfume. So I opened it up. There's a little bit of hay, which is kind of a decoration. But then inside there are earrings. I will open and show it to you. They are wing earrings, wing style earrings in silver finish. This is the kind of earring which is there. So it is a silvery metal kind of a finish, black metal comes silver kind of a finish, and it has a wing of a design. I don't have such kind of earrings, and it's very lightweight. It looks very, you know, polished and very heavy, but it's very, very lightweight. I'll show you both the earrings. So this and this is the kind of earrings which I can wear. Not right now because I'm already wearing earrings. And something which I have dropped, just a moment, is this. This is the Cambridge Tea Party tea samples. So it is the green tea with orange zest flavor. This serves 5 cups and this 0.35 ounce. And this is from Cambridge Tea Party. I have to review a lot of teas from this tea party as well, from this Cambridge Tea Party brand as well. A lot of flavors they send. This is a kind of a green tea, leafy green tea, which you have to use with water without milk. Please let me clarify that. And I must say the fragrance of this is really good. I've not tried orange zest, I've tried a ginger kind of a variant, but the fragrance is very strong and it's all natural, so it's really good. All the products that I have shown you here are cruelty free, are paraben free, not tested on animals, of course. They're cruelty free. Most of them are silicone free as well, because they are from brands like BioBloom and Chronocare and Inveda. And the box again retails for $14.99 bucks. You can get a 200 rupee discount by using Aditi200, the code which I'll mention down. You can go to the site and order a box for yourself. It's a May and June box, so for the entire June this code is applicable, and you can use you can get this box for yourself and enjoy the goodies. I might order a box for one of my friends as well, so let's see, we all will order together. And again, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video and bearing with me, bearing with your very late Latif friend who does not upload videos on time, which is very bad, but I'm really sorry. Lovely friends you all are. And thank you, we have reached 5k subscribers. Thank you to all the new ones and the old ones who have stuck by me. And thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.